Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to show you quickly how to create your own BrainPop account in case if you want to try to do some of the more advanced features of BrainPop. So right now I'm on the Country Parkway Library Databases page. Here's BrainPop. I'm just going to click on it again. And BrainPop should open up. Now notice, I'm sorry we lost a little halo, so follow the little hand. Right there you see CP. So you are logged into the general Country Parkway BrainPop page now. Now you can do most of the things, watch the movies, and that should be just fine. If you don't want to do anything more advanced, no worries, just stay there. But down here you might have noticed that there's a feature called Make a Movie or Creative Coding and Play Time Zone X, some different games. These are some more advanced features of BrainPop. If you want to do that, you need to create your own BrainPop account. And to do that, I'm going to go back up to the top. You need to go here where it says Enter Code. Click on that. And you'll get this box that pops up. Now the code, everyone has the same code, and it's just a class that I created so that anyone in the school who wants to do this can. And the code is divide 4043. So it's DIVIDE 4043 and click submit. Then you will get this little pop-up window where it says you're about to join Library Home Learning. That's the class I set up for everyone to join if you wish to do this. And then here it says student username and student password. Now mine auto-filled because I already have an account. And so mine is in here. Yours should come up as two empty blank boxes. And so you need to create your own username and your own password. These are the username and the password you just make up yourself, anything you want. Try to make it something that you're going to be able to remember and write it down somewhere so you know how to get back in. I can see what your usernames are. I do not know what your passwords are. So if you lose that, I can't help you with it. You would have to reset it. So that's all you do. And then you will click login and you are in, and you can do some of the more advanced features. Now I'm going to tell you, I personally have not spent a lot of time on those advanced features like make a movie and creative coding. So once you get into it, you're going to be a little bit on your own to learn how to use it, because honestly, I haven't spent a lot of time doing that. If I'm able to, I'm certainly happy to try to help you with it. But I don't know, you guys are going to be the guinea pigs to learn how to use some of those things. Those are some newer features in BrainPop. I'm going to just close this little window. And the last thing I want to point out, if you are getting into BrainPop, for the last several days, and I don't know if this will still be here when you try to get in, but there's this little bar at the top in purple, and it says, we're aware that some of you may be experiencing issues with our sites. We are working on it, and we appreciate your patience. Now, this has been up here for a few days now, so BrainPop has been a little bit glitchy. Hopefully that'll be resolved soon. But if you find things aren't working right, take a look and see if that purple bar is still up there that indicates that they're either experiencing issues or updating their website, because I've had a few times where I just haven't been able to get in at all. And I think it's because of that. And it seems to be an on and off issue. So that's about it. I hope that some of you get in and make accounts and do some of that cool looking stuff. I miss seeing you all. See you later.